If you think pulao is boring, this video might change your mind. Today we're making 3 completely different pulao recipes. First up, Quinoa Pulao, a lighter, protein-rich twist to your regular pulao. Start by heating some oil in a pressure cooker. Add shahi zeera, coriander powder, cinnamon powder, green chilies, and a pinch of cardamom powder. Let the spices bloom and release their aroma. Now add a little red chili powder and sliced onions. Saute till the onions turn soft and slightly golden. Next, toast in chopped French beans and carrots for that crunch and color. Add potatoes for some heartiness and mix everything well. Now comes the star of the recipe, quinoa. Add it in along with salt and water, give it a good mix and close the cooker. Now pressure cook until the quinoa is fluffy and perfectly cooked. Once done, finish it off with a squeeze of lemon juice, a sprinkle of garam masala and fresh coriander leaves. This one is light, nutritious and super satisfying. Next, leftover Rajma Pulao. This is what you make when you have Rajma sitting in your fridge and you don't want to eat it the same way again. Start with a hot pan and add a generous spoon of desi ghee. Add chopped garlic and saute till it turns slightly golden and releases that rich aroma. Now add a layer of cooked rice. Separate the Rajma from its gravy and layer the beans over the rice. Top it with another layer of rice. In a small bowl, mix saffron soaked in warm milk with a little cream and butter. Pour this rich mixture over the rice. It adds a beautiful flavor and richness. Now garnish with fried onions, mint and coriander leaves. Pour in the reserved Rajma gravy and a little water if needed. Here's a special step. Take whole spices, tie them in a muslin cloth and place it in the pulao. This acts like a flavor bomb. Now cover and let everything cook together on low flame. The result, a rich layered pulao that feels completely new. And finally, Basanti Pulao, sweet, fragrant and perfect for festive meals. Start by soaking rice for about 30 minutes, then drain it. Now marinate the rice with turmeric, salt, garam masala and a tablespoon of ghee. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. Now in a karhai, heat some ghee and add bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, cashews and raisins. Saute till the cashews turn lightly golden and the raisins plump up. Now gently add the marinated rice and mix carefully so the grains don't break. Now add sugar and a few strands of saffron for that signature sweetness and color. Pour in water, keeping the ratio 1 cup rice to 2 cups water. Cook on high flame for about 30 minutes. Once most of the water is absorbed, cover and cook on low flame for another 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for a couple of minutes. And there you have it, Basanti Pulao, vibrant, aromatic and slightly sweet. 3 pulaos, 3 moods, healthy, indulgent and festive. Tell us in the comments which one are you making first, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie.